Lady Gaga's dog walker, Ryan Fisher, says he's deeply concerned that the man who allegedly shot him has been accidentally released from jail. Fisher took to Instagram on Friday to share his reaction to the suspect being on the loose. While I'm deeply concerned at the events that led to his release, I'm confident law enforcement will rectify the error, Fisher's statement reads. I ask for Mr. Jackson to turn himself over to the authorities, so resolution to the crime committed against me runs its course, whatever the courts determine that outcome to be. Thank you to everyone who is supporting me during this time. The Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department confirmed they are searching for a suspect connected to the shooting of Lady Gaga's dog walker. A statement from the department said James Howard Jackson, 19, was released Wednesday due to a clerical error. The investigation is continuing and the LASD Major Crimes Bureau is actively working to get Mr. Jackson back in custody, the statement reads. Authorities described Jackson's release as inadvertent. On February 24, 2021, Fisher was walking Gaga's French bulldogs named Miss Asia, Koji, and Gustave at night in Los Angeles. He was shot in the chest and two of the dogs, Koji and Gustave, were stolen. Fisher was rushed to hospital where he underwent surgery and thankfully a few days later Gaga's dogs were returned safely. Jackson was arrested along with 4 others. Jackson was accused of shooting Fisher and charged with attempted murder, second-degree robbery and conspiracy to commit robbery, among other charges. His release came after the charges against him were dismissed on Wednesday, according to Fox 11 in Los Angeles. The charges were supposed to be replaced by a grand jury indictment, but the new charges weren't filed, and the administrative error let him go free, KNBC-TV in Los Angeles reported. The 2 dogs were eventually returned after a woman who was subsequently arrested brought the dogs to a police station in an attempt to collect Gaga's $500,000 reward.